Howdy, partner. It's El Harpo, the horse whisperer. Your horse and I have been doing some talking, and you know what your horse is telling me? You need a new place. Well, I just happen to have the place for you. It is smack dab in the Rancho district of Burbank, just blocks away from the LA Equestrian Center. It's a great little property. Got a 4-stall horse building in the backyard, and it's one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. And for you, the rider, after a long, hard day of riding, it's got a saltwater spa. How about that? The house has got 2 beds, 2 baths. It was remodeled not that long ago. It's got a nice little new western touch to it. But the location, you just can't be beat. I'm going to be doing an open house. The details will be on the screen here. Please come by and see me. El Harpo, also known as Rich Harper, real estate agent with Barry Burnett Realty in Burbank.